What's up guys, welcome yet to another vlog. Today is going to be a cleaning up vlog, but at the same time later on I have a client property I have to shoot, so I'm going to be going there to shoot the property. So basically this is going to be another day in the live video, so you are spending the day with me. I'm going to be showing you what I'm doing today, which of course we are starting off with cleaning the whole house, because of recent, bro, I have just been shooting content for people, and every time I get done, I come home, my gears, I just place them all over the house. So today I'm going to be packing my gears, I'm going to be cleaning the house, I'm going to be making sure that everything is in order before I leave to go for the property shoot that I told you guys about. And yeah, on our journey to the property that I'm going to be viewing, I'd like to show you guys something that is happening in Monrovia, and I would like for my subscribers to be a part of it. They are building a mall in Liberia, right? And this is the perfect time for, you know, people to invest, because why they are building it, they are looking for people who want office spaces, restaurant spaces, and all of that. So I'm going to show you the building on my way to the property, and apart from that, I am going to put the numbers on the screen for you to call. This is for people who want to come back to Liberia, invest in something, or, you know, just have a business here in Liberia. I feel like owning a space in the mall is like a very good investment, because a mall is definitely a place that will always pull people. It will always be packed and people always purchase things. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys the mall on my way to the property, and then I'm going to put the contact number on the screen for you to call just in case you want a space. I have no information about this mall whatsoever or whatsoever, so when I put the number on the screen, just call them for more information concerning the mall. So with that being said, let's get to cleaning, guys. Hey guys, Ruby is cooking and she has an attitude. Why do you have an attitude? Why do you have That's how she is when she's hungry, guys. You know, every time she wake up and she's hungry, she has an attitude. But money, babes, you okay? She's making...
No.
God, she don't even want me to touch her food. Like I keep saying, I don't know where all the food goes, but hey man, these days she has just been eating. Normally she eats, but these days she has just been eating over plus, and she's not even taking any vitamins. I don't know what is the reason, but hey man, as long as she's eating, I'm happy. Yep. So yeah man, let's get to cleaning. As you can see right now, I have all my gears everywhere, my lights, my backpack, the drone over there, the dining is messy, so we have to clean up everywhere before I leave. I don't know about you guys, right, but I'm the type of person that I don't know how to work properly unless my environment is clean. I work better and efficiently when my environment is very clean. So that's what I'm going to do. Because I'm shooting this vlog and I have to edit when I come back, I want to clean here, so whilst I'm editing I can have peace of mind. So let's clean quick, guys. Not quick, this is going to take forever, but let's clean. Alright guys, so we just got done cleaning the house. Look what that one is doing over there. She's eating as usual. But yeah man, we're happy that she's eating. What she's not eating is the problem, so we are happy that she's eating. So yeah, I'm gonna grab myself a plate too, and we can discuss more about this mall that they are building at Sophie. It's Sophie, right? Sophie ice cream shop. I don't know if you guys remember, for the old heads that are subscribed to my channel, they used to call it Sophie ice cream shop, but right now it's called Sophie Junction. It's right at Sophie's Junction, and you know, they're building this mall. They call it a super mall. I don't know what makes it super, but it's called a super mall. And yeah man, I would like for you guys to get in on a deal before you miss it. But let me get me a plate of food first. Alright guys, so let's talk about why you should get in on this deal, or what is the importance of even having a space in the mall for your business. The first reason I would like to mention is the amount of foot traffic in a mall. The mall attracts all kinds of buyers and window shoppers. So there are going to be potential buyers in the mall 24/7. There are going to be people that just come to check the prices to later on buy whatsoever you are selling. It could be a service, it could be a product, it could be anything. So it's good to have a space for your business in a place with a lot of foot traffic. When I say a lot of foot traffic, I mean a place that is guaranteed to be packed every now and then. You understand? And especially a mall where people go with the intent of buying something. The next reason I would like to mention is marketing. You know, sometimes the mall do host events and stuff that help showcase businesses within the mall. At the same time, the mall also do large scale advertisement that might end up showcasing your business as a small business within the mall or as one of the vendors in the mall. So it creates room for exposures of stores within the mall or offices within the mall. Do you understand? It helps increase your business visibility. The next reason I like to talk about is the share amenities. Now, you know, if you have a store on your own, you are going to have to pay for electricity, water, security, and probably build the place in a way where people can sit. If you have a restaurant, that is, you have to build a place in a way where people can sit and eat their food. But if you have your store in the mall, electricity, water bills, everything come as a once-off fee. And you know, you have places like the food court area. You even have parking lot that you are not paying for, you didn't build, but your customers can park there. So, you know, these are some of the reasons why I think people with businesses in Liberia should get in on this deal. I don't know when the mall is going to be finished, but as of now, people are renting spaces. There is a big banner on the building asking people to get a space now. So I just thought that I should tell my subscribers, this is what's happening and you can get a space by contacting so and so number. I haven't shown you guys the mall yet because I haven't left my house, but when I leave the house, I'll make a brief stop before I go to the property that I'm going to be shooting today, so you can see what the mall look like. And I'm going to place the number on the screen while I'm showing you the mall. So right now I'm going to take a shower, get out of here. I'm supposed to be out of here by 3 o'clock and I don't like to be late. So let's get ready. All right, guys, so I just got ready. We about to hit the streets of Monrovia. I got on my tribe shirt. Shout out to Flotune. I don't know if you can see it, but these shirts have all the tribes in Liberia, and this one is the Pele one. You know, I hope you can see it. Either ways, we're about to leave now, so let's go, guys. Alright guys, so we just reached the property and you know I'm about to fly the drone. If you're looking for drone pilot or somebody to show your property in Liberia, definitely hit me up. My contact information is going to be in the description below. Contact me. I don't charge that much. Somebody was saying 300 is a lot of money, but you know, the equipment alone costs more than that. That's not even half of the equipment. So yeah, hit me up. Let me fly this drone real quick. Alright guys, so I just got done with the property shoot. I was supposed to show you guys the mall before the property shoot, but I was behind time, so I just had to catch up with the people that I'm supposed to do the shoot with. It is hot, I'm sweating, but I'm about to show you guys the mall. I'm heading there right now, so let's go guys. Let's go. Alright guys, so we just reached the location of the mall. I'm at Sophie Ice Cream Shop Junction, and yeah, let's fly the drone. Let's see what this mall look like real quick. Let's go. Alright guys, so we just got done with the drone footage of the mall. I'm gonna put the number on the screen. If you're not seeing the number on the screen right now, check in the description below. You will also see it there, just in case you are watching the video and it happens to disappear from the screen. You can always find it in the description below. Now, I'm not being paid to advertise this mall. I'm not being paid to showcase this mall or tell people about this opportunity. I just want to tell people about this opportunity because my channel is all about telling people to come back to Liberia to build a country and, you know, to develop our country. So I cannot tell people to come back to a country that they don't have anything to do. So this is like an investment opportunity, and I would like for my subscribers to know about it so that if they plan on coming back to Liberia and they want to start a business, this would be the perfect place for you to, you know, have your business or your store or your restaurant or whatsoever you want to open in Liberia. Because hence I said earlier on, this is where you will find potential buyers or people that will buy whatsoever you're selling, be it services, be it goods, be it food, anything. Do you understand? A mall has its own way of drawing people to it. So if you want a place that is going to be crowded with people that have higher purchasing power, then you will need to book a place here at the mall or have a store or a space here at the mall. This is an opportunity, and I just thought that I should tell my subscribers about it. Another thing, when you call the number on the screen and ask about the prices and whatnot, I know renting a space at a place like a mall is not going to be cheap, but you know, try to understand the amenities that come with it, and if it's okay, if it's something that you can live with, hey man, take the space. Even my mother is trying to get a space here, so it was because of her that I'm now showcasing this place on the channel. Hopefully we get our space before the spaces run out. I'm about to go back home. I have to edit the footage that I did for the property, and then after that spend a little bit of time with Ruby because it's Sunday, and you know, Sunday fun day. That's it. So let's go back home. Alright guys, so I just got home, but you know, no time to waste. I have to jump right on the PC to edit the property footage that I just got done doing, and then after that we can disturb Ruby for a bit, right Ruby? Right? So let's go edit small, and then I'll send my client his work, and then we disturb Ruby. Let's go. Alright guys, so I just got done editing, and like I said, I'm going to disturb Ruby after editing. Oh my God. She's kind of happy because I gave her some money. Now she's smiling. What is it with women and money? What is it with women and money? You didn't give me money, you guys. Okay, so give my money back then. It's in the hole. It's in the hole, okay. I mean, I don't understand what is it with women and money. Is like when God made them, he made money right next to them. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and I hope that, you know, you guys take advantage of, you know, the mall, the thing I mentioned about the mall. Like I said, I wasn't paid to do anything or say anything about the mall. I just thought that this is an opportunity for my subscribers to invest in Liberia or start a business in Liberia, and the best place they can do it is at the mall, because the mall drive a lot of traffic there. You have a lot of potential buyers there. What's happening? You have a lot of potential buyers there. And if you enjoyed today's video, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel and becoming a part of this great community we have here. I have to pay attention to Ruby. So until next time, peace.